Hello everyone, this is Muskan Khandilwal and today I am here to share some positive or we can say some good news that has occurred during this pandemic phase. No doubt, year 2020 has brought so many bad news to us which include communal riots in parts of Delhi, COVID-19 attack to the whole world taking many lives, gas leak at a chemical plant in Visakhapatnam, locust attack in parts of India, cyclone Amphan in eastern part of India, cyclone Nisarg in western coast of India, 29 army personnel martyred in action in the ongoing skirmishes between India and China, at LAC in the Galwan Valley of Ladakh, custodial death of P. Jairaj and Benix in Tuticorin, oil well fire in eastern Assam's Tinsukia district, flood in Assam affecting 23 districts, demise of three very talented Bollywood actors Rishi Kapoor, Irfan Khan and Sushant Singh Rajput. In this unfortunate time where negativity seems to be constant, let's roll around with some positive news happening around us. First positive news is Noida Metro Rail Corporation has decided to dedicate its Sector 50 metro station to the transgender community. The metro station will be renamed as Rainbow Station. The aim of the initiative is to provide employment to this community. Under this initiative, they will be employed for the activities such as ticketing counter and housekeeping. Not only this, earlier NMRC has also dedicated its 2 station as pink station for the women facilities. Wow, this is such a great news for all the transgender community people. Coming to the next positive news, this news is from Madurai. Madurai's barber spends rupees 5 lakh to help poor needy people. This barber named C. Mohan saved rupees 5 lakh for his daughter's education, but instead he spent all the money to help around 600 people of his locality who were struggling hard to stay afloat during the lockdown. This kit contained 5 kg rice, vegetables, groceries and cooking oil. During a time when people are saving their hard-earned money to survive in the coming future, this man spent all the money that he had saved for his daughter's education. Who is Kamegowda Pond Man praised by PM Modi in Mann Ki Baat? Well, Kamegowda is popularly known as Pond Man or Lake Man. He became the talk of the town when PM Modi praised him for his Atmanirbhar effort in Mann Ki Baat. This man has created 16 ponds in his village on a barren land to conserve water. It was about 40 years ago, while taking his flock of sheep grazing on the hillside, he saw animals and birds stressed from the lack of watering holes on the hill. He decided to dig smaller ponds for animals, birds and humans. By 2018, this man constructed 14 ponds. The same year, the Karnataka government recognized him and awarded the prestigious Kanna Rajyotsava award. Well, this man didn't spend the award money to fulfill his needs. Instead, he spent all the money on his lake mission. Moving forward to the next positive news, here is the first step towards self-reliance in Gandhi's Seva Gram. A team of doctors in Maharashtra's Seva Gram has come up with a new design of reusable PPE kit. According to the doctors, this PPE kit can be used 20 times after washing. Not only this kit also contains a khadi factor which will keep the user's body temperature cool for a longer period of time. This PPE kit is developed by the doctors from the Microbiology Department of Mahatma Gandhi Institute of Medical Sciences, Seva Gram. The South Indian Textile Research Association has also given their approval for this kit. So this was some of the positive news to take your mind off all the gloominess. Yes, this is the hard time that we are facing, but we need to stay in this together and fight this pandemic. If you like the video, put a big thumbs up. Till then, stay home, stay safe.